Hello everyone, this is Satish Chandran, the co-founder and Director of Sales and Marketing representing Xplore IT Corp, subsidiary of Xplore Intellects Private Ltd, based out of Coimbatore and have spread wings across the world. Incorporated in the year 2014, we have a fantastic story to tell you about our starting up. In 2014, we started off with just 3 employees and we had to run pillar to post to fetch one institutional project. And believe me, after 2 months of our hard work, and we had to face 28 competitors, we had faced one institutional project from an engineering college in Coimbatore, and from there we had never to look back. And in 2020, the entire world were hit by COVID, and we were actually hit the major. And the first wave actually made us struggle a lot. But during the second wave, we actually equipped ourselves with an arsenal called as online training, and we had expanded our presence not only in India but to Middle East, US, UK, and European countries, and we survived the COVID situation like a king. And today we have our presence in almost 300 plus institutions, 80 plus corporates, and we have trained almost 1.7 lakh of students and professionals across the world. And we are so proud, and we would love to say that we consider ourselves to be the best in the trade. We have a beautiful story behind the inception of Xplore IT Corp. I started my career in 2007 and I have almost some 16 years of experience. But in the year 2011, I met my co-founding partner, Mr. Arvind, in an organization. He was my subordinate and we worked really hard for that company. But at the end of 1.5 years, we found that actually all work what we done was considered as money-minded by the management. And thus we lost the interest in that. And we had no other option than to step down from the company because our mission and vision were same. And then we had a discussion in a coffee shop. And then we thought, okay, why don't we start our own concern? And without even having an office, we started in the year 2014, February, this company. And we had to visit plenty of institutions and we have faced plenty of hardship. And to yield the first result, it took almost 90 days. Started with just 2 employees. Today, we have a resource pool of almost 12 technical trainers and 5 marketing people and plenty of trainers who are off-road. And from there on, the Xplore IT Corp had grown its wings and we are flying higher like an eagle. We are situated in Kalingarayan Street, Nagar, Coimbatore, and here we have a state-of-art infrastructure with the latest machines and the widest range of technologies which we provide, and we have almost the eminent trainers you can ever find at least in the South India. And we have a 2,000 square feet wide infrastructure with almost having 6 batches running parallelly and almost 120 students on roll every month. We consider ourselves to be the favorite for the students and professionals and unemployed segment. And we have a huge placement record. We don't guarantee a placement, but we guarantee that our students will be placeable. And we have a placement record of almost 90% students getting placed in top tier companies. So this is a tiny introduction about Xplore IT Corp, and there are plenty more videos to follow. And to follow this channel, you will have to like, subscribe, and follow this channel. And trust me, there are plenty more videos to follow. And if for any doubts or clarifications, please contact the number which is scrolling down below. Thank you.